Vaccines are one of the most debated topics in medicine, with myths often overshadowing scientific facts. Let's break them down using real data. Some claim that vaccines are rushed and not thoroughly tested. In reality, they undergo multiple phases of rigorous clinical trials. Phase 1 tests safety and immune response in a small group. Phase 2 expands to hundreds of participants for more safety and efficacy data. Phase 3 involves thousands to confirm effectiveness and monitor rare side effects. Only after passing these stages do regulatory agencies approve a vaccine for public use. In recent times, this topic has been questioned since shortcuts and shortfalls seem to have been claimed, and if evidenced, it is not acceptable, ever. Not all vaccines are necessary for every individual. Some, like polio and measles vaccines, are crucial for public health due to their high effectiveness. Others, like the yellow fever vaccine, are only needed for people traveling to affected areas. Vaccine recommendations depend on a person's health, exposure risk, and regional disease prevalence. No medical intervention is 100% effective, and vaccines are no exception. Example: the flu vaccine's effectiveness varies each year depending on viral mutations. However, even when vaccines don't prevent infection entirely, they reduce disease severity, lowering hospitalization and death rates. Think of vaccines like seatbelts. Wearing a seatbelt won't prevent car accidents, but it greatly reduces injury if a crash happens. Similarly, vaccines don't prevent all infections but help your immune system fight back faster and stronger. Just like a seatbelt only protects the person wearing it, a vaccine only protects the individual who receives it, and this point must be made very clear. The idea that vaccines protect those around you is not scientifically accurate. They only work by strengthening your own immune defense. Vaccine schedules are designed based on disease prevalence and severity. Some vaccines are critical for child health, while others may not be necessary depending on regional risks. Parents should work with healthcare providers to determine which vaccines are essential for their child's well-being. Science is about facts, not fear, and a right to informed consent cannot be undermined. Vaccines can save millions of lives, but it's important to understand them beyond the myths. This content is created by medical scientists and backed by published research. Consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice. Subscribe now for more educational content. Thanks for watching.